Today we see practical number 8, which is prepare light dimmer arrangement using the relevant dimmer type of transformer. So in this practical we study how to control the level of lux with the help of this dimmer arrangement. So the prior concept of this experiment: first identify the types of dimmer transformer, then second control illumination intensity. Then the learning objective of this experiment: understand the appropriate illumination level. Then the motor skill: first ability to control illumination intensity, and second ability to know the function of dimmer. Then see what resource required to conduct this experiment. So first, auto transformer having the range 0 to 270 volt. We can use this auto transformer for the purpose of vary the voltage. Then second, ammeter having the range 0 to 2 ampere for measuring the current. Then third, voltmeter having the range 0 to 300 volt for measuring the voltage. Then lux meter digital, and then incandescent lamp having the range 100 watt to 30 volt. So these are the apparatus which are required to conduct this experiment. Then next, the current connection arrangement of our experiment. So first, 230 volt single phase AC supply is given. Then this is the auto transformer, also called as variac or dimmer stat. This auto transformer have two terminals. This one is the phase and this one is the neutral. So phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of this voltmeter. Then the common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the common terminal of this ammeter. Then the range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the first terminal of this incandescent lamp. Then the second terminal of this incandescent lamp is connected to the range terminal of this voltmeter, and then the range terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the neutral terminal of this auto transformer. So here the voltmeter is used for measuring the voltage, then ammeter is used for measuring the current, and we can use the lux filter for measuring the illumination of this incandescent lamp. So for the purpose of connecting this incandescent lamp, we can connect here resistive load bank. Then this is the observation table. Okay, so first we have to take the reading for 50 volt. Then for that we measure the current as well as lux level. Then second we can take the reading for 100 volt and then measure the current as well as lux level. Then third we can take the reading for 150 volt and measure the current as well as lux level. Then fourth we can take the reading for 200 volt and then measure the current as well as lux level. And last we can take the reading for 230 volt and then for that we measure the current as well as lux level. Okay. So this is the observation table. So this is the theoretical part. Then we can see the practically.
So first we can do the connection as per the circuit diagram. So single phase 230 volt supply is given to this auto transformer having the range 0 to 260 volt and having two terminals. This one is the phase and this one is the neutral. So phase terminal of this auto transformer is connected to the common terminal of this voltmeter having the range 0 to 250 volt. Then from the common terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the common terminal of this ammeter having the range 0 to 1 ampere. Then the range terminal of this ammeter is connected to the first terminal of this load bank. Then the second terminal of this resistive load bank is connected to the range terminal of this voltmeter. Then the range terminal of this voltmeter is connected to the neutral terminal of this auto transformer. So this is the actual practical setup. Okay, then with the help of this lux meter we can measure the lux level for this incandescent lamp. Okay, so as per the procedure we can take the reading. So first switch on the supply, then vary the voltage with the help of this auto transformer up to the 50 volt. Okay, so the voltage is 50. Then take the reading of current C, which is 0.1 ampere, and then check the lux level of this incandescent lamp with the help of this lux meter, and place this lux meter 1 meter away from this incandescent lamp. With the help of this hold button we can hold this reading. So the lux level is 63. So this is the first reading. Then similarly we can take the second reading. Only gradually increase the voltage with the help of auto transformer up to the 100 volt. So the voltmeter reading is 100 and the ammeter reading is 0.15. So current is 0.15, and then check the lux level C, which is 138 lux. Okay, then this is the second reading. Then we can take the third reading. Similarly vary the voltage up to the 150 volt. So the voltmeter reading is 150, and then current is 0.22. Okay, and then check the lux level of this incandescent lamp. See, the lux level is 922 lux. Then take next reading, vary the voltage with the help of auto transformer up to the 200 volt, and see the current, which is 0.24, and then check the lux level of this incandescent lamp C, which is 1987 lux, and then take the last reading, vary the voltage up to the 230 volt. So voltmeter reading is 230 and current meter reading is 0.26, and then check the lux level. So select this range. So the lux level of this incandescent lamp is 338 into 10. 10, why 10? Because we select this range. So 338 into 10. Okay, so this is the practical. Okay, so you can observe that as we can increase the voltage, current also increases and lux level also increases. Okay, so with the help of this dimmer type transformer we can also control the level of lux.
So this is the readings which are actually taken for. So first 50 volt where a light sensor is placed 1 meter away from incandescent lamp. So it shows the lux level is 63 and the current is zero point 0.1 ampere. So as we gradually increase the voltage from 50 volt to 100 volt, then the lux meter measure 138 lux and the ammeter measure 0.15 ampere. That is, as we are going to increase the voltage, so lux level also increases and the current also increases. Then next for 150 volt, so this volt range, the lux meter measure lux level is 922 lux and the current is 0.22 ampere. Then for 200 volt, the lux meter measure lux is 1987 lux and the current is 0.24 ampere. And the last is for 230 volt. For that, lux meter measure 3380 lux and it draws the current 0.26 ampere. So this is the total observation table. So from this observation table, it is seen that as we are going to increase the voltage, the level of lux of that incandescent lamp also increases. Also, as we are going to decrease the voltage, we can also control the level of lux. And due to decrease in voltage, it draws lesser current. So it consumes lower power. So according to the requirement on working plane or application, we can set the voltage to get the proper lux level. Okay, see, we can increase the operating voltage, current also increases and lux level also increases. Okay, so with the help of this dimmer type arrangement, we can control the level of intensity. Okay, so when auto transformer voltage increases, illumination of lamp also increases, and when auto transformer voltage decreases, illumination of lamp also decreases. Okay, then conclusion. From this experiment, we conclude that as we decrease or increase the voltage to the respective light fittings, lux level of the light fitting decreases or increases. Also, current as well as power required decreases or increases. So, with the help of dimmer transformer, we can easily vary the lux level of light fittings. So, this is the very simple technique to control this lux level.